In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent, may the peace and blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be on all of us. Assalamu alaikum students. Now today I will start a new unit number 6, the living environment. Living organisms don't live in isolation. All living things interact with one another and also interact with the non-living surroundings in which they live. So the term environment is used to denote all living and non-living things. In other words, the living organism and their surroundings constitute the environment. So today we will discuss about the living environment. Let's talk about some terms which is related to this chapter. Biosphere. What is biosphere? Even on the earth, life is not found everywhere. The part of the earth where living things exist is known as biosphere. Have you got it? What is biosphere? The part of the earth where living things exist. Now, habitat. The environment of a living organism in which it lives is known as habitat. The living organism fulfill their requirements from their habitats. Right? Now let's talk about population. The total number of living organisms of the same kind living together at a place or habitat is known as population. Have you got it? Now what is population? The total number of living organisms of the same kind living together at a place is known as population. Now the next I will discuss about the community. Different population or species living together and interacting with one another from a community. Have you got my point? Now what is community? Different species living together. Right? Now I will tell you about environmental problems. Increase in population leads to environmental problem such as population growth places a greater demand on resources such as minerals, fuels and food. And overpopulation causes destruction of habitats and loss of biodiversity. And more space is needed to accommodate large numbers of people. These are the environmental problems, not including the environmental cost of economic goods and services in their market price. And except this, pollution and human health problems are directly related to overpopulation. Right? Now let's talk about urbanization. Urban means characteristic of a city, or urbanization means it refers to the population shift from rural to urban area. So, enlarging city population is the root cause of many environmental problems such as number of vehicles on road is increasing day by day and the atmosphere is getting polluted by dust and the smoke emitted by them. And many people are forced to live in slums, and this situation is causing many social problems. And useful agriculture land is used for residential purpose. These are the cause of many environmental problems. Have you got it? Now I will discuss about benefits of forest. As you know, there are so many benefits of forest, such as they provide ecological functions such as carbon storage, nutrient cycling, water and air purification, and maintenance of wildlife habitat. And the benefits provided by forest goods such as timber, food, fuel, oxygen, etc. So forests are playing a very important role in our daily life. Now let's talk about deforestation. Nowadays, forests are being removed to fulfill the demand for timber and also to obtain land or housing. Destruction of forest as a result of human activities is known as deforestation. It has many effects on environment, such as it is one of the causes of change in weather and climate. As a result of deforestation, habitats of wildlife and plants are destroyed. Therefore, wildlife extinct risk is increased. So these are the effects of deforestation. Now the last is home task. Short questions. Question number 1. What do you understand by population and community? Question number 2. How increase in population leads to environmental problems? Long questions. Question number 3. What type of environmental problems arise from urbanization? Question number 4. Describe benefits of forest and harmful effects of deforestation. Now this is all about the living environment, and I will continue the unit in next class. Take care. Allah Hafiz.